Hello, I hope you're all well. Welcome back to our new class. And in this class, we are going to study about the permutation and combination. So, this is your chapter 6 of your advanced mathematics. Okay, so after a long holiday, we are back again. So, let's come to our chapter permutation and combination. So the first thing, okay, when we say permutation, we should learn their meaning. What is permutation and what is combination? So frankly speaking, you know combination, right? A combination of two or three, things, a collection of two or three different things. Okay, that comes when you combine them. Okay, that becomes a combination. Permutation. What is permutation? So actually permutation is, you know, how you combine, in how many ways you combine those things. Actually it is an arrangement, okay? How many different arrangement you get, that is your permutation. Permutation means the different kinds of arrangement, okay? It is nothing but an arrangement. Suppose, as an example, see, okay, let's take the book example. We have got three colors, A, B, and then C. Yes. So now taking two of them at a time, we get this three unit. So three objects are there, three colors are there. They. Okay. Three colors are there. Say one of them is, okay, this is your red. Yes. Then we also can have blue. Then we can have yellow. So these are the three colors. Say this is our A, this is our B, this is our C. Now taking two at a time, okay, how many different arrangement you can get? First you can combine these two, then you can combine these two, and after that you can combine these two. So what do we have? Taking two colors at a time, okay, two balls, two different balls, you can say red ball, blue ball, yellow ball. So A and B, then we can have B and C, then we can have how many? BC, AC, D. So these are the three arrangement we can get. But see here, this A and B, okay, we can also arrange them again. Yes, we can also write BA, BC. We can take C first, then take B second. Here we took A first. Yes, then later on we can take C first and then A. Yes, so now if we take two at a time, okay, we get three. But again, these two of them, they can arrange among itself again in three different ways. So total, how much we got now? We have got six type of arrangement. So now this six arrangement, okay, this is your permutation. So permutation is nothing but the different kinds of arrangement, okay, see, which can be made out of a given set of different objects. So permutation is nothing but the different kinds of arrangement which can be made out of a given set of different objects, taking some. So how many we took here? Two at a time. So taking some or all of them. We can also taking three of them at a time is called their permutation. So now symbolically how it is written, we see NPR, okay, or you can write like this, P within bracket N comma R. That means N different object taking how many R object at a time. So here we got three object taking two at a time. So if you take three object, they, if you take three object, then how you can have one arrangement you can get. Yes. Then again, we can also have this much. This is also another. Yes. Again, C, B, A. This is another. This is taking three at a time. So here also maybe you can get again A, B, C, B, A, B, B, A, C. Again you can. Yes. So this is your permutation. Okay. Okay, what do we have now? Taking three at a time. D. Not two at a time, but three at a time. So we got how many? A, B, C. Again, you arrange B, A, C. Yes. Maybe you will get here 9. Okay. Then again, you see, we can also take B first, C, A, D. B, A, C already written, right? Again, C first, D, B second. We can do like this, A, B, C. Then what we will get? B, A, C, C, A, B. Instead of B, A, C, we can write B, C, A. Yes. Taking, so A, C, B, we can write like this, B, A, C. Yes. Then C, B, A. 6 arrangement we can get. Any more changes we can make? So this is your permutation. How many different ways? Okay. So again, if you are a hacker, so this permutation comes when you begun to hack. Okay. Suppose you got a mobile phone and it has got a password. The 3-pin password. Nowadays it is 4-pin, but for our simplicity, let's say 3-pin password. The and you have got 0 up to the numbers the up to 9, and from choosing among them, okay, you have to unlock this mobile phone. So trial and error, okay, you have got 3 times. So this one, the first place, it has the possibility of how many? Choosing all these three, right? All these 10 numbers. Yes. Then again, here also, you have got the possibility of how many? 10 digits. It can be repeated, right? People can repeat. And here also, we have got 10 possibilities. Now, if you multiply all of them, you need 10 times how many? 1000. Okay, 1000 ways. You can have 1000 ways, 1000 permutation to unlock this mobile phone with 3 pin. Now let's come to our combination. What is combination? Combination means combining. Okay, combination. So see his example: A B B C A C. Then in permutation, okay, we take into consideration the all the arrangement, all the possible arrangement. But you see here, AB and BA, it is the same thing. Yes, CB and BC, it is the same thing. When it is in your hand, suppose you have to take this balls, these three balls in your hand. Okay, in how many ways you can have in your hand? So first you take this red ball first in your hand. D, this is the ball. Okay, first the red ball. Wait, let me draw D. First the red ball come here. D, A. Then the blue ball is drawn. Yes, the blue ball is drawn. Then again, in second scenario, in the next scenario, what is our next scenario? This is our ball. D. In the next scenario, okay, first we took what? B. B is what? Blue. With blue ball. D. In a second scenario, we took the blue ball first. Then we take the red ball second. We take the red ball second. But finally, what you have got red and blue. Here also you have got red and blue. So the ball has a combination of two colors, red and blue colors. That means, whether you take the red first or the blue first, it doesn't matter. You have got a combination of what? Two colors. So combination is nothing but how many different objects, okay? How many collections do you have? Here we don't take this consideration. We don't take into consideration the number of ways how you draw the ball, okay, or how you make the arrangement. It doesn't count. So, okay. So for this scenario, our combination will be how much? 3. Our combination will be 3. We will have 3 types of scenario, 3 colors, 3 combination we will have. The first one will be red and blue, next one will be blue and yellow, and the red one and the third one will be yellow and red. So this is our combination. This is a combination. Permutation means it will take into consideration all the arrangement. Okay, it will take into account, okay, the different kinds of arrangement it can have. A, B, B, A. But in combination, we take the final outcome. Okay. So let's see the definition of combination. So from a collection of different objects, okay, the different kinds of selection, okay, select होने के बाद, okay, the different kinds of selection which can be made out taking some or all of them at a time is called their combination. So the combination of n different objects taking r at the time, okay, is kya hai? Where is it? Symbolize as NCR, okay, or you can write C within bracket n comma r. So 3p2 permutation will be 6 and our combination will be how much? 3. So see here, A, B, C, red, blue, red, green, D. How many we have got? We have got 6 permutation. Okay, so this notation, exclamatory mark, okay, this is called factorial. Okay, we will come later in the next part now. Okay, so NPR, okay, can be written as in this way: factorial of n divided by factorial of n minus r. Same goes for your combination. Combination will be this one. Okay, add them, you will get how many? 3. 3 combination. The AB, AC, BC. So AB and BA, they are the same combination. Order is ignored in combination. Okay. So combination, okay, of n object taking r at the time is written as n factorial, okay, divided by r factorial. Here this r factorial will come. Then n minus r factorial. अभी आएंगे what is factorial. ठीक है. So come to our next point, factorial notation. What is our factorial notation? So now in mathematics, earlier we have used this one, sigma d, where n equal to 1 to infinity, we can say summation of natural numbers d. That means what? We add this one, 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus 4 plus 5 plus 6. It will go on like this, okay, up to infinity or to whatever number, up to n, you see, up to n. This is your summation. So now this one, okay, factorial of n, or this one, this is, here it is sum, it what you say, sum is there plus, now it will be a product. So it will actually be product 1 into 2 into 3 into 4 into 5 into 6. It will go on like this up to n, or it can be written as like this. In place of multiplication, we can write dot d up to n. Before n, okay, n से पहले क्या आएगा? n minus 1, then we will have n. Or same thing, you can write like this: n minus 1, n minus 2. It will go on like this. Then we will have 3, 2, 1. So up to 1, it will go khatam. Okay, so this is called factorial. Factor का factorial. ठीक है? So see here. So factorial means if n is a natural number, okay, so the symbol, okay, this factorial n or n factorial, it indicates the continued product of the natural numbers from 1 up to n, from 1 to n. That is, factorial of n will be same this one, okay. It is a continued. So this symbol, okay, this is called factorial n. So factorial of 1 will be how much? It will be 1. Factorial of 2 will be 2. 2.1. So this one, okay, this is the convention. Okay, it is better to learn in this way. Factorial of 3 will be, it will go up descending order. From bigger to 1, it will come as a product. So factorial of 3 will be 3.2.1 will be how much? 6. Factorial of 4 will be 4 into 3 into 1, 5. Okay, will be 5 into 4 into 3 into 1. Factorial 6 will be 6 into 5 into 4 into 1. So now if you need to multiply, तो इतना नंबर लिखना पड़ेगा ना. तो इससे पहले एक सिंबल दे देते हैं. इसको क्या बोलेंगे? This symbol is your factorial. So again, एक बात देखो, this is very important. Okay, factorial n means n into factorial n minus 1. And again, factorial n minus 1 means n minus 1 into factorial n minus 2. It will go on like this. It goes on like this up to factorial 1. And factorial 1 means 1. तभी ये होता है. ठीक है? You understood? n से छोटा क्या आएगा? n minus 1. यहाँ पे क्या आ रहा है? तो फिर n minus 1, n minus 3 के बाद कौन आया है? 2. 2 के बाद कौन आया है? See, 4 के बाद कौन आया है? 3. 3, 2, 1. This is nothing but factorial 3. So factorial 4. Okay. Factorial 4 means what? 4, 3, 2, 1. And 3 into 2 into 1 is nothing but factorial 3. Like this. Okay. Same. Factorial 5. Okay. This is nothing but 5 into factorial 4. Very important concept. Okay. Or factorial 4 means 4 into factorial 3. Right? Factorial 3 means 3 into factorial 2. Factorial 2 means 2 into factorial 1. And factorial 1 means 1. तो देखो factorial 5 में क्या आया है? See, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. ठीक है? Okay? Understood what is factorial? So same thing, it goes here. Okay? n into n minus 1 into n minus 2 up to this one. ठीक है? ठीक है? So factorial means the product of all natural numbers from 1 to n. It is the product of all the natural numbers. See our example now. Let's go factorial example. Factorial, we have to find the value of factorial 6. The factorial 6 means 6 into 5 into 4 into 3 into 1. इसको multiply करो, you will get 720. 6 5 is 30, है ना? 30 into 4 is what? 120. 120. 3 into 2 is what? 6. 120. 12 into 6 is 72. 0 है तो 720. Yes. Factorial 7 minus factorial 5. तो factorial 7 क्या है? लिख लो, multiply करो, and factorial 5 means 543 minus 120. तो 5040 minus 120 minus करो, you will get. Or you can also do like this. What do we have? Example D. Factorial 7 minus factorial 5. We can do common. Factorial 7 means what? 7 into 6 into factorial 5. We can write in this way. This is what? Factorial 5. Factorial 5 can be taken common. 7 6 ja 42. D. यहाँ से क्या आएगा? If you take factorial 5, wait, we can take factorial 5 common. Okay, we will get 42 minus 1. So 42 minus 1 is what? 41. And factorial 5 means 5 into 3 into, wait, not 3. 5 into 4 into 3 into 2 into 1. So 5, 4, 3, 2, 1 is what? 120. So 41 into 120. तो क्या आएगा? मल्टीप्लाई करो अभी. 41 into 12, 2, 8, 1, 4. 2, 9, 4. So 4920. This is your answer. I think the same thing you will get. 4920. Okay. Okay. So you can do this one. Factorial 7 divided by factorial 4. So you see factorial 4 tak aapko you reduce up to factorial 4 so that they can cancel it out. The factorial 4 and factorial 4 cancel, then you got 5, 6, 5, 7, 6, 5. Then 6 5 is 30. 30 into 7, 3 into 7, 21. So 210 is your answer. Factorial 8 by 8. D. So 8 cancel, you got factorial 7. Factorial 7 is nothing but 5040. So actually it is better to remember the up to factorial 10. Okay. क्या है उसका value? Factorial 9, 2 into factorial 7. So 2 in factorial 2 is nothing but 2 into 1. So 9 go up to factorial 7 you reduce. So that factorial 7 and factorial 7 cancel out. 2 and 8 you can cut. You get 4 here. So 9 4 ja 36. D. Then factorial 4 plus factorial 3. तो फैक्टोरियल 4 कितना ही निकालो, फैक्टोरियल 3 कितना ही निकालो, दोनों को प्लस कर दो, विल गेट 30. या भी मल्टीप्लाई कर दो. फैक्टोरियल 5 इज नथिंग बट 120. 120 into 2, 240. ठीक है. ठीक है, ठीक है. Example 2, if n is a natural number, then we need to show that this one. Summation of their factorial d, it goes increasing. Summation of factorial of plus of d. Factorial n plus n plus 1 factorial. The answer is what? N plus 2 factorial n. Okay, so what is in our left hand side? Factorial n plus 1. And then factorial n plus 1 is nothing but n plus 1 है. n से एक बारा. So minus एक होने से क्या आ जाएगा? Only factorial n. Okay, so factorial of n plus 1 will be n plus 1 into factorial n. ठीक है. अभी देखो factorial n भी यहाँ पे factorial n, you can take factorial n common. So from here you got 1. Here you got n plus 1. So 1 plus 1 is what? N plus 2 factorial n. Same with the right hand side. So it is proof. Second question. 1, 3, all the odd number. Okay, 2n minus 1. All the odd number. Okay, product of all the odd number. This is equal to factorial of twice n by 2 to the power n by factorial n. 2 to the power n into factorial n. तो लेफ्ट हैंड साइड में क्या है देखते हैं. 1 3 5 ऑल द ऑड नंबर्स. इसका इवन नंबर, यहाँ से इवन नंबर गायब है. तो इफ यू गिव द इवन नंबर, ओके, 2 4 6 2n, 2n minus 1, so 2n. तो ये नीचे भी तुमको वो सब देना पड़ेगा. 2 4 6 2n. अंडरस्टूड? यहाँ पे इवन नंबर गया पे, तो यहाँ पे तुमने इवन नंबर दिया, तो सिंस ओके न्यूमरेटर में इवन नंबर दिया है जो कि नहीं है, तो तुमको नीचे में देना पड़ेगा सो दैट दे कैन कैंसल इट आउट। ओके, तो क्या आएगा अभी, व्हाट इज देयर, दिस इज अप टू 2n है ना, 2n से स्टार्ट होके 1 तक आया, सो दैट मीन्स दिस इज नथिंग बट फैक्टोरियल ऑफ 2n। तो यहाँ पे देखो फैक्टोरियल ऑफ 2n, ठीक है, फैक्टोरियल ऑफ 2n। अभी नीचे में देखो क्या है, 2462n है ना। यहाँ पे तुम हियर यू कैन डू वन थिंग, टू वी कैन टेक 2 कॉमन है ना, 2 1 कैन बी रिटन एज व्हाट, यू कैन टेक 2 कॉमन, 1 डॉट है ना, 2 डॉट 3 डॉट, इस तरह से आएगा। कहाँ तक आएगा, अप टू n है ना, है ना, है ना। 1 2 3 up to n, 1 2 3 up to n। Okay, but there is a clutch the, it is not, it is not addition the, it is multiplication है ना। that means देखो 2 4 6, okay, see here, from here we took 2, from here also we took 2, from here also we took 2, 2 into 1, 2 into 2, 2 into 3 like this, okay। अब तो कहाँ तक गया है, अप टू n है ना, 2 into n, तो कितना 2 रहेगा यहाँ पे, हाउ मेनी 2 विल बी देयर, there will be n numbers of 2 and it is all multiplied n numbers, then it will become 2 to the power n, then you will get 1 2 3 like this up to n. Do you understand this one? 2 in 2 is 2 into 1, 4 is 2 into 2, 6 is 2 into 3, again here will be 8, it will be 2 into 4, and this way there will be n times of 2, right, there will be n times of 2, so 2 to the power n, understood? So we wrote here 2 to the power n into 1 2 3 up to n, and this is nothing but 1 2 3 up to n, they are all multiplied, it is a product, so it is nothing but factorial of n, and which is equal to your right hand side. So 1 the odd number, okay, the product of the all odd number n, okay, product of n odd numbers, this is equal to factorial of 2x n divided by 2 to the power n into factorial of n. Understood? Any doubt? All clear? Okay. Now will come a very important concept, okay, which is called your fundamental principle of counting. Fundamental principle of counting. ठीक है, ठीक है, ठीक है. Okay, let's read it out. क्या है? Suppose we have three balls. How many balls are there? A, B, and then C, of distinct colors and two bats. चलो क्रिकेट खेल रहे हैं. दो बैट है, X and Y. This is also of distinct colors. That means different colors. So to play, we need one ball and one bat. Now the question arises that in how many ways we can select one ball and one bat. Two bat are there and three ball are there. So let at first we shall select the ball then the bat. पहले बॉल को सेलेक्ट करेंगे फिर बैट को. ठीक है. So A, B and C. Okay, X and Y, these are the bat. Okay. So पहले क्या ball A, when we take A ball we take X bat. So AX, this is one combination. Again A bat and Y ball. Okay, AY. ठीक है. Next B ball and then X bat. So BX combination. B and then Y, we got BY. C ball and X bat, we got CX. C ball and Y bat, we get 6CY. So now how many we got? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. How many? 6 are there. So it is seen that we have 6 different types of selection. So this is your different selection. This is your permutation. है ना? So in mathematics, these types of problem can be solved by a specific principle, and this principle is known as your fundamental principle of counting. So what is the principle? If a certain operation, okay, can be performed in m different ways. कितना? M different ways. Here we A, B, C, 3 different ways, है ना? And corresponding to each of these m ways, ये 3 ways के साथ कितना बचा है अभी? सेकेंड वाला 2 है ना? So if a second operation can be performed in n different ways, okay, then the two operation can be performed simultaneously in m into n. दोनों को multiply करना है. How many ways? The first one, m different ways. The second one, in how many ways? n different ways. तो कितना अभी कितना different ways होगा? Multiply कर दो m into n different ways. तो see here in our example. Here we have got 3 ball, 3 ways, 2 bat, 2 ways it can be selected. So multiply कर दो. 3 into 2 is how much? 6. 3 into 2. ठीक. So the theorem stated can be extended infinite number of operations. So m into n. So if a third, again another is in p different ways. तो अभी p के साथ multiply कर दो. m into n into p. Okay. Just multiply them. Find out the product. ठीक. See, this is our bell. This is our bat. This is our combination. So number of ways will be how many? M into n. So 3 into 2 is how much? 6. 2 choices of ball. Yes? 3 choices of ball and 2 choices of bat. So this is your fundamental principle of counting. ठीक. चलो अभी ये वाला सॉल्व करते हैं, राइस वाला. Okay. The word ice, okay, the rice, okay, क्या है? How many words of 4 letters? How many words of 4 letters with or without meaning? ये तो रीजनिंग वाला क्वेश्चन आ गया दी हाउ मेनी वर्ड्स ऑफ 4 letters with or without meaning can be formed from the letters of the word rice RIC. So कितना word है 4 letters are there RICE. So the first place R कितने ways में ये select हो सकता है 4 different ways. Yes, R भी बेच सकता है I भी बेच सकता है C भी बेच सकता है E भी बेच सकता है ना राइस ठीक है द फर्स्ट प्लेस इट हैज गॉट 4 ऑप्शन सेकेंड प्लेस तो 4 में से कितना एक आर चलो आर ले लिया दी एक ले लिया अभी कितना बचा है 3 लेटर्स बचा है ICE. ओके सो कितना चॉइसेस है हमारे पास अभी आई भी बेच सकता है सी भी बेच सकता है ए भी बेच सकता है वी हैव गॉट 3 different ways. The second place it has got 3 ways. थर्ड प्लेस कितना भी इनमें से एक ले लिया बाकी बचा है 2 ओके फिर लास्ट वाला उसके पास एक ऑप्शन बचा है तो टोटल कितना अभी कितना नंबर ऑफ वेज होगा राइट कितना नंबर ऑफ लेटर्स इन हाउ मेनी वेज इट कैन बी अरेंज है ना तो क्या होगा फंडामेंटल प्रिंसिपल ऑफ काउंटिंग यूज करो फर्स्ट प्लेस 4 वेज सेकेंड प्लेस 3 वेज थर्ड प्लेस 2 वेज and the fourth place 1 ways. 4 into 3 into 2 is how much 4 into 3 is 12 12 into 2 is 24 into 1 is 24 ways. So how many ways 24 ways how many words 24 words okay so the number of words okay to be determined will be how many 4 into 3 into 2 into 1 will be how much 24 ways okay so the same thing it is written here if you want then you can read so here it is taking into consideration without repetition okay without repetition अगर रिपीटिशन हो गया तो जो हमने नंबर ऑफ 10 वेज वाला मोबाइल वाला पिन यूज किया दी दैट वन यू हैव टू डू so 4 this is the first letter will be 4 if it is again repeated second also you will have 4 choices here also 4 choices here also 4 choices so you have multiplied them you will get how many 64 you will get how many 64 number of ways okay if repetition is allowed then ठीक है ठीक है ठीक है understood so these are the concepts okay for your exercise 6.1 I think you will be able to do the exercises of question number 1 I believe so if okay you can tell me if you have any doubt so this is like the example okay 6.1 then how many questions we have got 7 number of questions so in the next video okay we will do the exercise we will do the exercises in the next video then after that we will come to our main permutation we have what theorem okay theorem 1 theorem 2 maybe theorem 3 also theorem 4 maybe okay okay let's do question number 1 d let's do question number 1 then in the next video we will be able we can start from question number 2 exercise 6.1 So we need to find the value of factorial 5. And so factorial 5 equal to 5 into 4 into 3 into 2 into 1. And this is nothing but, I guess, 120. Is it? 20 into 6, 120. Question number 2. Factorial 4 plus factorial 5. So factorial 4 कितना होगा? 4 into 3 into 2 into 1. This is nothing but how much? 4 3 are 12 into 4 is 24. And factorial 5 is how much? 120, right? 5 4 2 1. This is how much? 120. So therefore factorial 4 plus factorial 5 equal to 24 plus 120. This is nothing but 144. So this one you can also do like this. Alternate. This is alternate. Okay. क्या है? Factorial 4 है. Factorial 5 will be 5 into factorial 4. You can take 1 plus 5. Factorial 4 common. 1 plus 5 is how much? 6. Factorial 4 is nothing but 24. Or you can do like this. 4 3 2 1. So if you multiply them all, you will get 144. So either way you can do. Either ways you can do. Let's come to question number 3. Factorial 9 by factorial 7. So factorial 9 D factorial 7. So 9 को reduce कर लो up to factorial 7 है ना? So 7 7 cancel. 9 8 जा 9 8 are 72. ठीक बा. Question number 4. Factorial 6 minus factorial 3. So factorial 6 कितना है? 6 into 5 into 4 into 3 into 1. 120 into 6 will be 720. तो factorial 3 कितना होगा? 6. 3 into 2 into 1. This is how much? 6. So therefore factorial 6 minus factorial 3 will be 720 minus 6. This is how much? 714. Alternative wala bit. Okay, let me show you. Alternatively, you can take 3 common D. So factorial 6 minus factorial 3. This is nothing but 6 5 4 factorial 3. Factorial 3. 6 5 4. 6 5 is 30. 30 into 4, 120. 120 minus 1. Then you have got factorial 3. This is 119. Factorial 3 is 3 into 2 into 1. So 119 into 6 will be 714 itself. Question number 5. Factorial 12. Okay. Factorial 12. Factorial 2 into factorial 10. So 12 को reduce करो up to 10 तक. 12, 11 to factorial 10. 2 into 1 factorial 2 means this is your factorial 10. So they got cancel out. 2 is 6. 6 into 11 is how much? 66. factorial 3 into factorial 7. Okay, factorial 3 into factorial 7. So factorial 3 is how much? 3 into 2 into 1 into factorial 7 is how much? 7 into, not 8. 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. है ना? 7, 6. 6 factorial 7 is how much? Factorial 6 is 1, 7, 20. D. Oh, I did a mistake. Did I make a mistake? 6, 5 is 30. 30. And then this is how much? 24. Okay, it's correct. D. Okay, 720 into 6 will be 12, 1, 42, 43. 4320. Again, 6 is there. So 0, 12, 1, 18, 19, 10, 24. 24920. Is it correct? You cross checked. Okay. 720 into 6. D. 12, 1, 42, 43. 4320. Again, 3 into 2 is how much? 6, 0, 12, 1, 18, 19, 1, 24, 25. D. 25920. This is your answer. Okay. So then in the next class or in the next video, we will continue from question number 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. We will complete the next video. Okay. Which will be, you will get in the evening. Okay. So before that, you can also try by yourself if you want. So I'm taking your leave for now on. For now, if you have any doubt, you ask me. Okay, the portion which you didn't understood. Okay, if whether you understood the meaning of permutation completely or the meaning of combination completely. Okay, you inform me. Again, I will go again. Okay, if you want, with different examples. Okay. So it will be more clear, okay, when we go on to the next sections. Okay, so thank you for now, and then keep practicing. Okay, bye bye.